Hi guys, so we've got here one end of the coaxial cable I was using on the antenna I was using for 145 Alive. This happened after I took the antenna down and brought it in. It's managed to pull out like that because this end was still connected to the antenna. So there's no continuity between the centre conductor and the centre pin of the plug. And there's no continuity on the outside either because the way it is. It's somehow still held on, I don't know how. But it reads as a dead short circuit at the other end, so this end will have to be cut off and all re-stripped and everything, as I do have a new plug to put on. It's a crimp type connector, and this is the first time I've had one of these fail, because every time I've done a crimped on connector it's usually worked fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that off and change it for a new one. Okay, so I'm 24 hours on now from when I first looked at the repair. So it's repaired, it's crimped on, it's using my very last crimp connector, so I could not afford to get this wrong, because I can't really buy any more of these right now, although I think I can buy them in the UK these days from Moonraker. I think Moonraker do sell these. I know they sell the ones for RG213 because I have bought them before. So that's now ready to last however long it's going to last, but like I say, this was the first time I had one fail, and I've tested it for continuity. It's all good. The only thing I really need to do is do an air test, but that will be off camera, although it will be mentioned in the video where I actually do use it. So it doesn't look as though I've actually done a brilliant job of crimping it, but as I say, it was a case of I couldn't afford to get it wrong, and I was a little bit nervous, which is to be expected. So what I'm going to do now is, well, put it to test. But I say that'll be off camera, so catch you in the next video, and a 7.3 for now.